Hello, it's Bernard Nomberg with the Nomberg Law Firm in Birmingham. And in this video, I want to talk about some helpful tips and things to do if you come across an accident or if you're involved in a motor vehicle accident that also involve children who are not teens, young children who I'm referring to. Some things to think about to do that may help the situation involving that child. If you're involved in an accident and a child or children are in your vehicle, of course, assess your own situation first. And if you're not badly injured or if you're okay to assist anyone, then check on any others in the car, including the children. If children are injured or if anyone else in the car is injured, of course, call 911 immediately. Children, just being of the age, are probably a little more scared than the adults or teens or any of the more mature people in the car. So they probably are going to need more attention. Remain calm and choose your words as carefully as you can. Never stop communicating with the child. Remain at the child's side if you can, if it's in a safe location. If the child needs to be extracted from the vehicle, if you can't do it safely or if others can't, then you may have to rely on professional help, the paramedics, the fire, police, first responders. But if you can, remain by the side of the child to reassure them. Get down to their level. Children are already scared enough as it is without being in accidents, just having to deal with much bigger and older people. It may be helpful that if you can get down to their level, their actual, where they're seated or where they've stopped due to the accident, that might be helpful. Repeat what you tell them as needed. Children need constant repeating, constant reassurance that things are going to be okay. And try to be honest with them if it's appropriate and if the timing is right. And you'll know it's difficult to give examples here, but if you can stay at the child's side, if it's safe, if you can remain with the child and be in communication, those are some things that can be helpful. When the first responders get there and if the child is in need of attention, stay with the child. Be with their side the whole time. If the child's not injured and can be properly and safely taken out of the accident scene, still have somebody remain with them and following these same rules. They're going to want to know where their parents are, where their loved ones are. If you know the answers to those things, keep reassuring the child. Automobile accidents are traumatic. There's no specific playbook. There's no specific exact science about how to remain with the child and keep them calm. You just do the very best that you can. The scene will already be chaotic and traumatic enough, but if you can give extra attention, or if someone can give extra attention to that child during that time period, it may help just a little bit. At the Nomberg Law Firm, we handle such car accident, automobile collisions. If you've been injured in one of those and have questions or concerns about this or any other related issues, please consider giving us a call. 205-930-6900 is our office number. Nomberglaw.com is our website. We can also be found on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter.